Welcome back my channel. Front view. Acura ADX features a bold and confident front profile. The diamond pentagon grille gives it an aggressive yet refined character. LED headlights with signature daytime running lights highlight the advanced design. The sculpted hood and sporty lines give a dynamic and modern appeal. Side profile. From the side, the Acura ADX shows off a sleek aerodynamic shape. High ground clearance and large alloy wheels reflect a perfect blend of SUV strength and luxury. Clean character lines run smoothly from the front to the rear, enhancing the premium design. Rear view. The rear of the ADX is bold and muscular. Sleek LED tail lights stretch across the back for a modern finish. A sporty spoiler and sculpted bumper give it a performance-focused look. Interior dashboard. Inside, the ADX is modern and tech-driven. A curved digital display merges the instrument cluster and infotainment screen. Premium materials and ambient lighting create a comfortable futuristic cabin. Steering and display. The steering wheel is leather-wrapped with multifunctional controls. Behind it sits a high-resolution digital cluster showing speed navigation and drive info. Touch and voice controls are responsive and user-friendly. Seats and comfort. The seats are crafted from high-quality materials and offer excellent comfort. Front seats come with heating, ventilation and memory settings. The cabin provides ample legroom for front and rear passengers. Engine and performance. Under the hood, the ADX is powered by a turbocharged engine offering a smooth yet powerful drive. Advanced all-wheel drive system enhances grip and stability on all terrains. Drive modes let you switch between comfort, sport and eco for a personalized experience. Wheels and brakes. The large alloy wheels with a stylish multi-spoke design enhance road presence. Braking is responsive with advanced disc brakes on all four wheels. Suspension is tuned for comfort and control. Tech and features. Includes a wireless charging pad, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto and a premium sound system. Advanced driver assistance features include adaptive cruise control, lane keep assist, blind spot monitoring and more. Final look and price. Overall, the Acura ADX delivers a perfect mix of style, comfort and performance. With a starting price around $42,000, it offers great value in the luxury compact SUV segment.